If you've ever looked at Etsy and thought, there are already too many sellers, how could I possibly compete? Today's video might change the way you look at selling digital products online. Let me introduce you to EtsyEmpire AI, a system designed to help you discover low-competition Etsy niches, create printable products, write optimized listings, and get those products ready to publish without needing design or Etsy experience. And the interesting part is that you don't have to start by staring at a blank Canada canvas wondering what to create. One of the biggest challenges with Etsy isn't simply making a pretty printable. The real challenge is knowing what people actually want to buy. You can spend hours creating something you love only to discover there's barely any demand for it. EtsyEmpire AI is designed to tackle that problem first. According to the promotional material, the system analyzes Etsy opportunities and helps identify profitable, lower competition niches, giving you a starting point based on potential demand instead of pure guesswork. Once you find a niche you like, the next step is creating the products. EtsyEmpire AI can generate printable designs based on your chosen niche, style, and preferences, helping you build a product portfolio without needing advanced graphic design skills. But it doesn't stop with the design. The system can also help create your Etsy listing, including the title, description, tags, and suggested pricing. That means you're not trying to figure out Etsy SEO from scratch or wondering which keywords might help your product get discovered. The bigger idea here is building a digital asset portfolio. Instead of relying on one product, you can gradually create multiple printables targeting different niches. One product may not generate much on its own, but a growing collection gives you more opportunities to attract buyers. And because these are digital products, there's no physical inventory to store, package, or ship. Once your files are created and published, customers can purchase them digitally. So, if you're interested in building an Etsy printable business without spending weeks learning design software, researching niches manually, or writing every listing from scratch, EtsyEmpire AI is definitely worth taking a closer look at. I'll leave the details below this video so you can check it out and decide if it fits your goals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.